about a little classic import here at Unique Specialty and Classics? 1969 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Coupe. Cool looking body style. Original San Diego, California car. Two families have owned this car since new. The original owner passed. Daughter inherited the car, came to the Midwest. That was the first family that owned it. And the second family is the one that has driven it for the past 15, 18 years, and just decided it was time to move on and let somebody else enjoy it. So here it is, and it is available to purchase. It shows well. The paint on this car was actually done in 2000 to 2001 when paint work and body was done, and look at how good it still looks. I mean, that's 24-year-old paint, which is nice, because if there was imperfections that were going to pop, start coming through it, they would have done by now. So good looking paint on this car. Let's take a look at this front chrome, headlight surrounds. Of course, not much of a grill on these because this is an air-cooled rear-mounted engine. And speaking of that engine, that has approximately 1,500 miles since it was rebuilt. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. So just click on that link if you're watching on YouTube. You can always call us, 507-386-1726. These Mini Light inspired polished wheels look great on this car. Firestone radials. And look at how nice and straight these panels are. And again, paint has a nice shine to it. I kind of call it a navy blue or midnight blue. Great color on this car. Bright work up and down the lower door panels. Looks good. Interior black bucket seats, vinyl. Aftermarket Pioneer radio is installed. GT steering wheel. We'll get over to the driver's side, start it up here in just a bit. We're also going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It appears the chrome in the rear of this bumper may be original. Granted, there is some pitting, but they're only original once. And that would show you this car definitely coming from out west. That bumper's not going to look near as good if it was a Midwest car and driven year round. There you get an idea, a nice shine to that paint. Reflection from the light. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking at the still pictures. Look at the underside, how nice and solid and clean it is. You'll be able to see the engine bay, the front storage compartment. If you like Karmann Ghias, maybe like Volkswagens in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can either do that online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. You can see driver's side not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches either. Let's go ahead and check this out a little closer. And the interior door panels look good. Carpeting basically looks like it's new. You have seat belts with over the shoulder seat belts here. Electric wipers, I did have those working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And this would be an era correct 1500cc H code engine in it. We're going to take a peek underneath the, I guess, hood, if you will, at the rear of the car. There's the miles since the engine was rebuilt, 1523. So like I said, approximately 1500, rebuilt engine. Dash looks good. And the seating surfaces, free of rips, tears, holes. Take a look at the still pictures. There's some custom speaker mounts behind the rear seat back. Headliner looks good. Alright, let me go ahead and I'm going to pop a couple things on this. I want to pop that front storage compartment, and I want to do this rear hood, and I will show you where that's at quick. The front storage compartment will be in the glove box, and for the hood, it's right down here, and there should be a gas cap door, I believe, too, underneath the dash. So let me go ahead and get things popped, and we'll be back just shortly and check out the rest of this car. Alright, let's start at the rear. Just so you know, the hood pull on this, the one I showed you inside the driver's door to the rear, it is a firm pull, so it takes a little bit, pull it, the rear hatch will open, and there you can see it, 1500 cc. That is air cooled, and like I said earlier, Era correct. 12-volt system, as you can also see, and a battery disconnect or battery shut off for when it's in storage or between drives. Runs smooth. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. All right. Now, as far as the front storage release, that is in the glove box. And as far as the glove box, this will turn to the left so that it can be pulled open. You can see there's an owner's manual. There's the switch. Whoop. Sorry, let me show you that a little better. This turns, lowers. There's a switch for releasing the front compartment, but it's not a push button. Looks like it may be a push button. It turns and opens. And underneath the dash, right up underneath there, is the release for the fuel door. So for future reference, we'll get that in the video. Now, like I said earlier, stick around just a little longer, very end of this. We'll take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1969 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, two family owned, original San Diego car. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving the 1969 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A really nice looking one in a great color blue. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Nice smooth running Volkswagen. Karmann Ghia, such great body lines, a very unique and different body style. This car is in great condition. We have a GT steering wheel and a nice new looking carpet. Great condition, original style. Bucket seats in this Karmann Ghia. Headliner looks good. The paint's a nice shine to it and a good color. Our turn signal indicators are both working. Speedometer working as well. Fuel gauge is showing completely full. We have a clock right here that is ticking. Pioneer stereo on the dash. That's working well. Speakers are in the back. There's even a subwoofer in the back. I am 6'1" and I do fit in this car. And operate the clutch just fine. corners nicely. These cars are so small and light, they don't have much weight to throw around. Very responsive steering. They're fun to drive for that reason. And with the 4-speed, you can control the power just as much as you want and have even more fun. Be sure to check out all the pictures and learn all the details of this Karmann Ghia at uniqueclassiccars.com.